So in this video, I show students how to install Eclipse using the Eclipse installer. I've got the installer downloaded from the Eclipse website. I'm just going to run the installer. The installer will retrieve a bunch of files over your network connection. So if you have a slow internet connection, this may take a little while. The only thing you have to watch out for in the installer is which version of Eclipse to install. You want the IDE for Java developers. Right? You don't want the IDE for enterprise Java. You want this one. So once you click on that one, the installer will start to download and install your files. It should find the JDK that you installed previously automatically. Right? So here you can see it's found JDK 17. You might take note of your installation folder. By default, it's in your user folder in another folder called Eclipse, and then the version of Eclipse that you're installing. It's up to you whether or not you want these shortcuts created. I don't want the desktop shortcut, so I'm just going to do that, and then click install. And then the installer will go out on the internet and download whatever files it needs to install. Okay, once you're installed, you can launch Eclipse if you want to, but I'm going to show you how to use Eclipse in another video. You can delete the installer if you like. It's no longer needed. And that's it. So we're done.